Hey, that's her glass. Hey. Okay, stop it, you guys. At least your eyes are safe.
Anybody want cake?
Hey, draw 2 eyeballs.
What? Nancy, you want me to kill you?
Well, that's not good. I have put that camera as hostage. I am not afraid of heights. Okay. Oh, God. Oh, God. Okay, to. Gorgeous. Okay, but I'm really legal that day now. Nancy, good job. Cái dạy làm cho con thua.
You guys are paying me.
How are you not happy? It's like all up in my nose. I can't even breathe. What the hell? Well, at least my eyeballs are safe.
At least your eyes are safe, right?
Yes.
It's not good.
Don't go into
Not anymore. Well, they're still safe. Okay, to. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.